love cilantro, and if you love cilantro, you're gonna love my cilantro lime dressing. This is so easy to make, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna put a cup of cilantro. I actually put a lot more than a cup. I kind of do a little bit extra just because I like it so much. I just put a little tiny bit extra. But I'm gonna add in my canola oil. I'm gonna take some garlic that I've already chopped up and throw that in there. And I do use a little bit of honey, not too much, very small amount, just 1 teaspoon. So it's not a lot of honey at all for that entire dressing. I use this rice vinegar. And did I already pour in my canola oil? I think I did. All right, all I do is throw all those ingredients. Did I put my salt in there? That's it. I'm just gonna put it right in here and then put it in the vitamin. Now, let me do a little taste test, see how it is. Let's see. It's a little tart. So what happens is sometimes, see how much honey got stuck in there? A lot of times all the honey has a hard time getting out. So I'm gonna put 1 more teaspoon of honey because it's a little bit too tart. So I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons of honey. If you want, you can add some chipotle peppers. So let's see, you can do it either way. If you don't like the chipotle, it still tastes amazing. Oh geez, a little messy. Okay, let's try that. My husband says I'm a very messy chef. Okay, let's see which one I like better, with the chipotle peppers or without. With the chipotle peppers. So it's up to you. It just gives it a totally different flavor, but I definitely like it better with the chipotle peppers. It is delicious.